Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to understand how we can hide or display sections of the form according to the conditions. In the demo, we are also going to understand that how we can get sections names that have complicated labels, like section label contains special characters, section label with 3 words. Okay, let's begin the demo of it. As you can see on the screen, we have our incident form opened, and for the demo what we are going to do is that when the channel is email, then we are going to display these 3 sections: multiple emails, callers, manager email, caller and assigned to emails. And when channel is not email, then we are going to hide these 3 sections. Okay. To develop this requirement, we are going to create a UI policy. So let's quickly create a UI policy. Let's duplicate this tab. Click on additional actions button. Go to configure. Go to UI policies. Click on new button. And the short description of the UI policy will be display emails channel related sections. Okay. In when to apply section, we are going to choose the field channel. Is email. We are going to keep checkbox of global checked, reverse if false checked, and on load checked. Now we are going to go to script section and we are going to check run scripts checkbox. Okay, here in run scripts in UI type field, we have to select all. Okay, now we are going to save this UI policy and we are going to write the script very soon. Okay, our UI policy is saved, and in the script we have to get the backend name of the sections. So we have to get the backend names of these 3 sections. How we can get the backend name of these 3 sections? So there are some rules for getting the backend name of the sections. Let's see the rules for getting the backend name of the sections. Okay, the rules for getting the sections names are: section names will be in lowercase. All special characters from section labels will be removed. First space between the words of the section labels will be converted to underscore, and remaining space will be removed and words will be joined. So these are the rules for getting the section names, that is the backend name of the section. Let's apply the rules for getting the section name or the backend name of the section in our demo. So we are going to open our sticky notes so that we can write our backend name of the section here. In the first section, we can see that the section label is multiple emails, 2 words with an space. So the backend name will be in lowercase multiple. There is a space that will be converted to underscore, underscore, and emails in lowercase. Okay, so this is our first section backend name. Next is callers manager email. So this contains 3 words, but there is also an special character here. So special character will be removed. It will be now callers in lowercase, and after callers there is a space, so that will be converted to underscore, and now manager will be in lowercase manager, and after manager there is a space, so this space will be removed and the email word will be joined with the manager word. Now email will be in lowercase email. Okay, so this is our backend name for this section. Next is caller and assigned to emails section. So in this we have a special character, this will be removed. So caller will be in lowercase and a special character will be removed and there will be space. So caller, a special character removed, space is there and assigned. So it will be caller underscore, as a space will be converted to underscore if this is the first space. Now assigned to emails. All the spaces will be removed and the words will be joined in lowercase. Assigned to emails. Okay, so this is the section name for this section label. Okay, now we are going to use these backend names of this section in our code. And if you want to know one more technique of how to find the section names or the backend names of the sections, then there is one more technique, and for that the video is available on our channel, that is how to find section names. Okay, you can watch that video. Now as we have got the sections names, we are going to complete our UI policy development. So let's go back to our UI policy, and if we scroll in the execute if true field, we are going to type our code. For display and hide of the section, we are going to use set section display method. Let's write our code. G underscore form dot set section display, and we are going to write our section names, multiple emails, and we are going to show this section if the condition is true. So we are going to write true here. Okay, now we are going to copy this line and paste it 2 times, and here we are going to replace the section names. So this will be our section name for this, and this will be our section name for this. Okay, and we are going to hide it when the condition is false. So if we scroll down, we have copied this code and we are going to paste it here, tab. So we have pasted our code here. Instead of true, it will be false. False, copy, paste and paste. Now we are going to save our UI policy. So click on additional actions and save. Okay, our development of UI policy is completed. Now we are going to see it on our incident form. So this is our incident form, and we are going to reload the form. Okay, one of our section is not hidden, so we are making a mistake in finding the correct section backend name. Caller and assigned to emails. I think we are missing. Okay, this will be assigned. Change it here. Now we have to change it here also, assigned, and we are going to save our UI policy. We go back to our incident form and reload the form. Now you can see that our UI policy is working. Channel is set to none, and we can see that our sections are not visible. But if we change the channel to email, then you can see that our sections are visible. And if the channel is not email, then these sections will be hidden. Okay, so in this demo we have seen that how to find the section names or the backend names of these sections, and we have seen which method we can use to display and hide section, that is set section display method we have to use. Okay, so this was the end of the video. If you like this video, do share the videos with others. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.